This motor that came in for some issues, and we were doing diagnostic, and we ran the compression test on it, and they had some compression readings on the motor already, and they were pretty close to right. It varied in between 100 on number 6 to 120 on number 2. And one of the other things we do with the compression check with the spark plugs out, they're all are, I mean, doesn't even look like it's run with those spark plugs in it. They're all clean, and doesn't look like it's even run with the new spark plugs in it. So we're going to go ahead and do the spark check. That's part of our diagnostics. So we're going to go ahead and turn it over and show what the spark's doing. So we have one solid spark and one intermittent spark. And on that one we've got one intermittent spark on number 1. So we have one good, 2 intermittents, and 3 that aren't firing. So that's he said he started and ran it, so but that's what we just found on our spark test.